and welcome back children to our part 2 video of today's assignment, and you all know that today in EVS we are doing chapter number 10, that is plant world. So I hope you all have watched my part 1 video in which I have explained you the chapter, and I have divided this chapter into two parts. So today we have studied about trees and shrubs, and we have studied that what are trees, very big plants which are very strong, they are known as trees. And we have studied about the examples also. So trees के examples क्या थे? Banyan tree, neem tree, mango tree and coconut tree. These were the examples of trees. And then in next we have studied about shrubs. And what are shrubs, children? I have explained you that shrubs are small plants, but they have woody stem and they are strong. Okay, so small plants with woody stems are known as hard, and woody stems are known as shrubs. And what are the examples of shrubs? Rose plant, tulsi plant and henna plant are the examples of shrubs. So after completing that, I hope you all have read the chapter, read the first page of the chapter. And now in this video, part 2 video, I am going to explain you about the new words. So what you have to do, children, you have to take out your EVS notebook and turn to new page. Okay, as you all know that we start the new exercise or the new chapter every time from a new page. So then you will write down today's date, that is 24/8/2021. In the first line you will give the heading of chapter number with its name, that is chapter number 10, plant world. Look at your screens very carefully, children, so that you can understand how you have to write in your notebooks. I don't want any kind of untidy work, any kind of work which you have not done properly. I don't want, okay, because while checking I have seen many of you have done in a very wrong manner. Okay, so you can see from here nicely, and then only you can write in your notebooks. So in the second line you will write down assignment number, that is 10.1. Today we are going to do the first assignment of new words, so we have written 10.1. Now in the third line you will give the heading of the assignment, what we are going to do today, part A, new words. Okay, so new words, every time I tell you to learn all these new words of every chapter, because new words will be given to you in exams in the form of missing letters. एग्ज़ाम्स में आपको न्यू वर्ड्स हमेशा मिसिंग लेटर्स की तरह दिए जाते हैं, और इस बार भी दिए जाएंगे, और उसके लिए आपको स्पेलिंग सारे वर्ड्स की याद होना ज़रूरी है. Okay, so let's get started with this exercise without wasting any time. I will explain you the spellings and the meanings of all the words, and then you can understand it, and after understanding you will write in your notebooks. So let's get started. Part 1. First word is plants. What is the spelling? Plants, plants. Now what are plants, children? Around you can see different types of plants. Some are in the form of trees, some are in the form of shrubs, some are in the form of herbs. So you can see that around you there are many kinds of plants. Okay, plants, plants. Now coming to the second word, that is banyan, banyan. Now this is the example of a tree, banyan tree in Hindi, which is known as bargat. Now coming to the third word, that is coco, coco, and the next is nut, nut. So when we will merge it, it is known as coconut. Coco, coco, nut, nut, coconut. Now this is also an example of a tree. Now coming to the fourth word, that is shrubs, shrubs. Now what are shrubs, children? Small plants which have hard and woody stem, known as shrubs. shrubs, shrubs. Now coming to the fifth word, that is tulsi, tulsi. Now tulsi is a plant which is a very useful plant. Okay, the leaves of tulsi plant are used to make medicines. It is a medicinal plant. जिस प्लांट से हम मेडिसिन बनाते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स. सो द वर्ड तुलसी, tulsi, is a plant which is a shrub. Okay, it is in the category of shrub because its stem is very hard and woody. Okay, now coming to the sixth word, that is herbs, herbs. Now what are herbs, children? You will understand it in the next video. I will make you explain it in the next video, but in short I am telling you that herbs are very small plants. जो बहुत छोटे प्लांट्स होते हैं, दे आर नोन एज हर्ब्स. द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ हर्ब्स इज ग्रास. जो घास होती है ग्राउंड में, दैट इज द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ हर्ब्स. नाउ कमिंग टू द सेवेंथ वर्ड, mustard, mustard, mustard. Now what is mustard, children? Mustard is also a kind of plant which is in the category of herbs. Okay, mustard भी herbs की category में आता है. Then coming to the eighth word, that is sun, flower, flower, sunflower. Now this is a name of a flower. Okay, sunflower is a name of a flower. Now coming to the ninth word, stem, stem. Now when you will study about parts of a plant, there you will use this word stem. Stem is the, stem क्या होती है? जो प्लांट में आपके जिसमें से ब्रांचेस निकलती हैं, जिसमें से अलग अलग ब्रांचेस निकलती हैं. लाइक इफ दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ स्टेम, ये एक स्टेम है जिसमें से, ये स्टेम है जिसमें से अलग अलग ऐसे ऐसे ब्रांचेस निकलती हैं. यू मस्ट हैव सीन. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड स्टेम, STEM, स्टेम. नाउ कमिंग टू द 10th वर्ड, branch, branch. I have given you an example here that all the branches are coming out from the stem. These are called branch. branch, branch. 11th word is root, root, root. Now always you must have studied and you must have seen that roots कहाँ होती हैं? ज़मीन के नीचे. प्लांट को होल्ड करने के लिए रूट्स ज़मीन के नीचे होती है, जो कोई सॉइल को पकड़ के रखती है, जिससे कि प्लांट बिल्कुल अच्छे से सीधा रहे और उसकी ग्रोथ हो सके. सो ROOT इज रूट. नाउ कमिंग टू द 12th वर्ड, दैट इज LEAF, लीफ. नाउ लीफ इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ प्लांट. लीफ इन हिंदी नोन एज पत्ती. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा जब बारिश होती है या बहुत तेज आंधी आती है, हवा चलती है तो पत्तियां गिरती हैं. सो दोज आर नोन एज लीव्स. So I hope, children, there are only 12 new words. I hope you all have understood it very carefully. Once again I am repeating all the 12 words. Listen to it carefully and then you will write it in your notebooks. So first word is plants, PLANTS, plants. Second word is banyan tree, BANYAN, banyan. Third one is coconut, COCONUT, coconut. Fourth word is shrubs, SHRUBS, shrubs. Fifth word is tulsi, TULSI, tulsi. Sixth word is herbs, HERBS, herbs. Seventh word is mustard, MUSTARD, mustard. Eighth word is sunflower, SUNFLOWER, sunflower. Ninth word is stem, STEM, stem. 10th word is branch, BRANCH, branch. 11th word is root, ROOT, root. And the last 12th word is leaf, LEAF, leaf. So by this, children, we have completed with our today's assignment, that is 10.1, in which I have given you two videos. First video is of explanation part, in which I have explained you about trees and shrubs only, and this video, part 2 video, is about new words, in which I have given you 12 new words. So by this I have completed with today's assignment, children. Now it's your duty to complete all your work on time and read the chapter till where I have read it nicely twice or thrice at home, and also start learning with these new words. Okay, first of all, watch this video very carefully and then start writing it in your notebooks. So till my next video, children, bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.